The controversy over Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha's demand to install Nathuram Godse's statue at public places in cities across India. Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha's national president Chandra Prakash Kaushik has now added that if denied permission, they will install Godse statues inside their offices.
नाथूराम गोडसे को तो हम जब से ये गांधी वध हुआ है जब से ही याद करते आ रहे हैं। प्रतिवर्ष बलिदान दिवस और जन्मदिन हम प्रतिवर्ष मनाते हैं, तो एकदम से नहीं आया ये। लेकिन जैसे ये बीजेपी के सांसद ने यू टर्न लिया है तो उससे हम दुखी हैं। ये यू टर्न बीजेपी की सांसद को नहीं लेना चाहिए था और जो सच्चाई है देश के सामने वो लानी चाहिए थी। इसीलिए हमें ये चीज अब जो आपके कहने के अनुसार याद आई है, इसीलिए हम इस मुद्दे को दोबारा से उठाना चाहते हैं।
पर आप नहीं मानते कि नाथूराम गोडसे एक ऐसी विचारधारा को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं जिसने गांधी जो अपोस्टल थे नॉन वायलेंस के, उनको मारा, तो मतलब उसको किसी तरह से इस तरह से उनको स्टैच्यू करके लोगों को दिखाना ये उचित लगता है?
नहीं, लोगों के सामने सच्चाई आना बहुत अनिवार्य है। और जो आप इसको हिंसा की बात कर रहे हैं, ये हिंसा नहीं है। हिंसा का अगर रूप देखा जाए तो गांधी जी ने क्या कम हिंसा की थी? गांधी जी ने कहा था कि मेरी लाश पे पाकिस्तान बनेगा और उसके बावजूद पाकिस्तान बना। और कितने हिंदुस्तानी लोग मारे गए, क्या वो हिंसा नहीं थी?
Abhishek is joining us for more on that development. Abhishek, this is obviously a very politically volatile issue. The Akhil Bharat Hindu Mahasabha has its own sort of ideology, but the problem starts the moment they want to put out statues of Nathuram Godse, who they believe is a martyr, who they believe did the right thing. But this could be extremely politically volatile.
Well, volatile, and trust me that even the BJP would be a little uncomfortable with this development. They would want to distance themselves from this stand that the Hindu Mahasabha has taken, and essentially this would be seen as a nuisance when the party in the parliament is already struggling to get the opposition on its sides on important economic reforms bills that have been tabled, or for example the GST bill that would be tabled on Monday, or that is likely to be tabled on Monday. So in effect the government would be a little cagey of these developments, and you can expect that not only that the ruling party would distance itself from this stand that the Hindu Mahasabha has taken, but would also perhaps want to put this in the back burner or try to suppress it in some manner so that it does not become an issue, it does not snowball into another controversy, because the government already has its hands full, so to say, with tackling the opposition both inside and outside the parliament. So in effect, this demand that the Hindu Sabha is making is clearly aimed at unsettling the government perhaps, and the government and the ruling party particularly would want to distance themselves from this.